Hello, everyone, and welcome to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. I'm your host, Sam, and today we are going to talk about something very important. An important update for certain Afghan nationals who arrived in the US during Operation Allies Welcome. So, if you or someone you know is applying for a green card, then this could make a big difference. Let's dive in. So, here's the news that you need to know. The US Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, just updated their policy regarding immigration medical examinations for Afghan nationals and for those Afghan nationals who came to the US during Operation Allies Welcome. So, what does this mean for them? Well, according to the new guidance, Afghan nationals who arrived through OAW and received an immigration medical exam, either here in the US or in abroad, will not need to repeat the exam when applying for a green card. That is also known as adjusting their status to become a lawful permanent resident. Now, let's break this down a little more. What does this apply to? This rule applies to Afghan nationals who came to the US during Operation Allies Welcome. So if you were one of those individuals, you might be wondering that how this update will help you. Well, if you have already had an immigration medical exam, then either inside the US on Form I-693 or outside on forms like DS-7794 or DS-2054, then you don't need to do it again when applying for a green card. Now let's talk about what's the big deal about this update. Well, it's usually when you apply for a green card, you have to submit a new medical exam. And this can be a time consuming and sometimes even costly. But for Afghan nationals from OAW, this new policy means that you are good to go with your previous medical exam. No need for any additional paperwork or visit to a doctor. It's an important step in making the green card process a bit smoother for these individuals. So when does this take effect? The update is effective immediately. If you're applying for your green card on or after November 13, 2024 and your immigration medical exam was already completed, then you are covered. Whether you are in the middle of the application process or kind of filing your Form I-485 for the first time, then this policy applies to you. Well, this is a positive change, especially for Afghan nationals who have already gone through the medical exam process. The US is making efforts to simplify the green card journey for them, and this policy update is one of those steps. So if you are affected by this update or have any questions, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next one.